Today is the day, y'all. We are heading to Dollywood Splash Country. Yes, we are heading into the water park to let our journeys begin. You can either buy a one-day ticket to the water park, or you can do a Super Gold season pass and have it incorporated into your season pass. Either way is a great option, and there are so many attractions here for everyone. Whether you are looking for a water slide or a family tubing, there is definitely something for everyone. But one reason that I love to come also is for the food. Yes, I definitely rode all the rides first. And they even have it laid out so that you know exactly what you and your family can go on. That way you're not in line and then suddenly find out that you cannot ride once you get to the top. But the food and snacks are just as good as the rides. So once you get that ticket and you're inside the park, the fun begins. There's definitely a lot of scenery to take around on the outside as well as the inside. Interestingly, these little ants know where they want to be to find that perfect sweet treat. Because right now we are about to enjoy a sweet treat that these little ants would simply adore. I was also fortunate enough to catch this beautiful bird, which was preparing to feed her babies. So everyone is definitely in a mood to eat. And after a few hours at the water park, you build up an appetite. And throughout the park, there are numerous places to eat, whether you are craving food or sweets or a snack. But today, I got 2 snacks. Beavertails. I got the Bananarama Beavertail, which is here. It is a delicious fried bread with Nutella spread over the top, topped with bananas. And let me say, if you are a lover of Nutella or any kind of chocolate spread and bananas, you will definitely love this because the first bite is so soft and pillowy. Then you get the creaminess from the chocolate and then that smooth bite from the bananas. It is definitely the perfect bite. It is also topped with a little bit of powdered sugar underneath the chocolate. So you really don't get to see it because it has squished in to the dough itself. But you definitely get that hint of sweetness. And each bite is so pillowy soft. Each Beavertail is made fresh to order, so you know it's going to be perfect every single time. I loved the water park, but I equally enjoyed the food as well. So I highly recommend a season pass if you plan on coming at least once, because you have really paid for your ticket to come for the remainder of the season. And yes, you can enjoy more Beavertails. This one was actually the Avalanche, which had a rich cheesecake spread topped with score candy bar pieces crunched up, and caramel sauce. And ironically, one Reese's Pieces actually made it onto the top of mine, which made it extra special because it had that hint of peanut butter. But nonetheless, this Beavertail was also soft and pillowy. I didn't really like the cheesecake flavor, but I guess it is more of a personal preference. I am more of a chocolate person over any white sauce, but that's just me. Yet again, this one was definitely amazing once you got the score bar pieces incorporated within each bite. It was actually pretty good. Which will you try?